Hi everyone, my name is Arjel Ferman and I am here to discuss IT infrastructure, the definition and its diagram, the evolution of IT infrastructure, the components of IT infrastructure, and the pros and cons or the advantage or disadvantage of IT infrastructure. But first, let us define what is IT infrastructure. IT infrastructure refers to the hardware, software, and networking components that organizations use to manage and run their IT systems effectively. It is the backbone of all digital operations in a business. It is a broad term that includes servers, storage system, networking devices, operating systems, and many other technologies that work together to support daily activities. IT infrastructure is the foundations that supports an organization's digital operations. IT infrastructure includes hardware, software, networking, security components that work together to deliver IT services. Without IT infrastructure, modern organization would not be able to operate efficiently. This diagram shows how IT infrastructure components are connected. So from servers, software, and workspaces are connected to users through networking devices such as routers, firewalls, and wireless access point. Wireless devices like laptops, tablets, and smartphones connect to the systems through these access points. The router connects the internal network to the internet while the firewall protects the data by blocking unauthorized access. Security tools protect the systems from threats, and cloud services provides a scalable storage, applications, and computing power. Together, these components create a secure, reliable, and connected IT environment that supports communications and their business operations. And now that we discussed IT infrastructure, its own definition, and the diagram, now let's discuss the evolution of the IT infrastructure. When did it start and how it is evolving through time? IT infrastructure has evolved over time to meet changing technology and business needs. It started with mainframe and mini-computer era around 1959. During this time, computing power was centralized, very expensive, and mainly used by large organizations. In 1981, the personal computer era began. Computer became smaller one, more affordable, and available to individuals, which increased productivity and flexibility. Around 1983, the client-server era emerged. Servers handled data and processing, while client computer requested services. This allowed many users to work at the same time. In 1992, the enterprise computing era developed. Organizations integrate networks, databases, and applications across the entire business. And from 2000 up to the present, we are in the cloud and mobile computing era. Computing resources are delivered over the internet, allowing access anytime and anywhere. This makes IT infrastructure more flexible, scalable, and cost-effective. After discussing the evolution of IT infrastructure, now that we know the history, let us now proceed to components of IT infrastructure. What are they? IT infrastructure consists of four main components. These are hardware, software, networking, and facilities. The first is hardware, which includes servers, computers, storage device, and networking equipment. The second one is software, such as operating system, enterprise application, and database that control the hardware and support business activities. The third component is networking, which includes routers, switches, firewalls, and internet connectivity that allow secure communication. The last component is facilities, such as data centers, cooling systems, and power supplies that keep IT systems running smoothly. All this equipment work together to support an organization's IT operations. After discussing the components of an IT infrastructure, now let's talk about the advantage and the disadvantage or the pros and cons of IT infrastructure. IT infrastructure has both advantages and disadvantages. On the positive side, it provides high control over systems and data, strong security management, and reliable performance. It can also be customized to meet the business needs and support better compliance and data governance. However, there are also challenges. It requires a high initial cost for hardware setup, ongoing maintenance and upgrades, and we need a skilled IT staff to manage the systems. After the discussion, to summarize everything, IT infrastructure is the foundation of every modern organizations. It brings together hardware, software, networking, and facilities to support the daily needs of the operations and to ensure secure and efficient communications. Over time, it has evolved from large mainframe systems to a flexible cloud and mobile solutions. Although it requires significant investment and management, IT infrastructure remains essential for business growth, innovations, and for long-term success.
Hi, thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel.
Like muna tayo, like.